Are you looking to take your Jira skills to the next level as a Scrum Master? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through creating epics, stories, tasks, and subtasks within a standard Scrum project on Jira. By the end, you'll be able to structure your team's workload for maximum clarity, track progress at multiple levels, and keep your backlog organized and actionable, all crucial skills for driving successful Agile projects. Let's dive right in, starting with epics. Think of an epic as a big picture goal. It's a substantial piece of work that crosses multiple sprints and needs to be broken down into smaller, manageable chunks. To begin, head over to your Scrum project in Jira. You'll want to be in either the backlog or board view for easy navigation. On the left side of your backlog screen, there's a panel labeled Epics. If it's collapsed, just click to expand it. This is your workspace for larger initiatives. Now click plus Create Epic. Give your epic a meaningful summary or title, something that clearly reflects the outcome you're aiming for, like Implement New Payment Gateway. After that, open up the epic details by clicking its name. Here, where you add substance, provide a thorough description, clarify which product area it impacts, and set specific goals. The more clarity you bring here, the easier it will be for your team to understand and align on what needs to be achieved. Once you're done, this epic serves as a beacon for related work. You'll be linking stories and tasks to it as you build out your backlog. Next up, let's talk about stories. User stories represent features or requirements from the end user's perspective, and they're bite-sized enough to fit within a single sprint. To create a story, stay in the backlog view. At the top of your issue list, you'll see the plus Create Issue line. Click here and make sure to switch the issue type to Story. It's usually marked with a blue icon. When you enter your summary, use the typical user story format for clarity, such as a user, I want to pay with PayPal so that I can use my preferred method. This approach helps everyone understand who benefits and why. After saving the issue, it's time to link the story to the relevant epic. You can do this by dragging your new story from the backlog and dropping it directly onto the correct epic in the left panel, a simple drag and drop. Alternatively, open up the story details, locate the epic link field, and select your epic from the dropdown. This step isn't just housekeeping, it maps out how each user's need ties into larger goals. Stories capture direct user value, but not everything on a project is customer-facing. That's where tasks come in. Tasks represent work that keeps the project humming, things like setting up databases, writing documentation, or even team coordination. Creating a task works much like a story. In the backlog or board view, use that same plus Create Issue line, but switch the issue type to Task, typically a green icon. Give your task a clear summary describing exactly what needs doing. If a task supports an epic, link it in the same way you would a story, otherwise it can remain in the backlog, ready for your team's attention. Tasks help capture those vital bits of work that are easy to overlook but essential for project success. Now for the final layer, subtasks. These are the small, actionable steps that break down your stories or tasks even further. Maybe you have a story that needs several team members working in sequence, or a task with a few discrete actions. To add a subtask, open the parent issue you want to break down, click either your story or task to view its details. Inside, look for the subtask section and click plus Add a subtask. Enter the summary, be specific, like write the SQL query for the new table. Press enter and your subtask is created. Often you'll assign each subtask to a specific teammate and estimate the time needed. An important note, the parent issue can't be marked as done until all its subtasks are completed, which helps maintain accountability and visibility. Operating within this hierarchy of epics, stories, tasks, and subtasks gives you a powerful framework to manage project scope, visualize progress, and ensure everyone knows what they should be working on. It keeps your backlog clean, focused, and connected to business goals. If you found this walkthrough helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see other Jira tutorials. Be sure to subscribe for more actionable guides and best practices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.